Hey y'all, it's Maxine, your favorite wine specialist, guiding you on your journey through fine wine. And it is Monday, so you know that it is Monday Wine Q&A. So let's hop right into it. But first, I must make a request. Make sure that you take a moment to subscribe to my channel. I'll give you a few seconds. Yes, and after this video, go back and like the other videos that I have posted. I'm sure that you will enjoy them. Like them and make sure you leave a comment. Thank you, I greatly appreciate that. Now, let's get into it. One of my favorite things to do at parties and gatherings is to saber. Sabering is the art of using a knife or an actual saber and popping the top off your champagne bottle. It is one of the most exciting things to do and everyone enjoys it. And I really enjoy teaching people, so I'm going to teach you today how to do it. But let me first give you a history lesson on sabering. Legend tells us that Napoleon and his army would be riding their horses with a bottle of champagne. He is credited for the quote of, "Champagne, in victory you deserve it, in defeat you earn it." I love that quote, it's one of my favorites. But back to Napoleon and his army. Napoleon and his army, they would be riding their horses and they didn't have an opportunity to unfoil their champagne bottles. So they would take their knives and just pop the top off of it. And today I'm going to teach you how to do this cool trick that Napoleon and his army, as legend tells us, began. So first you want to take the foil off your bottle, and I take off the entire foil because you're going to need your knife to have a clean surface. You want to discard it, and you want to put your thumb on the cage and just untwist it, but we are not going to take the top off. So gently take the cap off. So first, now you're going to grab your bottle, you're going to grab your saber. First, let me begin with, do this in a sober mind. Do not do this when you have had a few glasses of wine, because we are dealing with sharp objects and this top really flies off. This is very pressurized in here. So I'll begin, do this with a sober mind. I know you'll probably be having a party or something cool going on, but make sure everyone is being safe with this act. So you want to put your thumb in the punt part, and at a 45-degree angle, you want to take your saber or your knife and you just want to glide it. And what part you want to glide it on is, there is a line on the champagne bottle. I don't know how well you can see it, but there is a line where it closes, where the bottles meet. This is the weak part of the champagne bottle. And this is where you want to glide your knife across that, because this is what is going to help that bottle to pop off. So we have our thumb in the punt. We found our line, which is the weak part of the champagne bottle. And we want to glide. You want to do a quick glide and then it's just going to pop off. Some people do it with the back part of the knife. I'm going to do it with this one since I have a saber. So let's go. So 1, 2, 3. Drink good, live well. And now you have sabered a bottle. This is the best part after you saber. Until we meet again, drink good, live well.